tell me why, tell me why.
Why can't we play together?
Tell me why, tell me why, tell me why.
Why can't we play together?
Everybody wants to play together. Why can't we play together?
Music has the power to bring people together. Music can give us the feeling and the knowledge that people can play together. In a few seconds, you can play along with us. You only need to play 2 bars of D minor and 2 bars of A minor. Come on.
For yourself now.
Everybody knows and I feel left out.
Girl, you got me down, you got me stressed out.
'Cause ever since I left the city,
started
everybody gets me going out more. Glasses off the